So now we know the basic logic of ipyvizzu and how to animate between two states. Let's see some further parameters and new rearrangements. In the last step, we already rearranged our chart by putting both series on the y-axis, resulting in a single column chart. And similarly, if you would prefer, for example, a bar chart configuration that shows each genre separately, all you need to do is to add the popularity to the x-axis and remove it from the y-axis. So here only the genre dimension remains. And if we run the code, ipyvizzu will automatically animate between the initial state and this one. And next, let's set a title for the chart. The title is a config parameter, so all we have to do is to introduce this parameter and add the string to it, like my first chart. And if I'm running the cell, the title appears with the default styling of ipyvizzu. And finally, I show you how to add the tooltips that appear on the chart elements when we hover over them. We can enable it by adding the tooltip and the true parameters to the feature method of the chart. So now I can see the details of each bar by hovering my cursor over them. And that's all for this episode. Now we can easily rearrange our charts, add the title or tooltips. And in the next video, I show you what aggregation options we have.